In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use key features in Jira on the web via Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with project management in this powerful tool, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to navigate and utilize Jira effectively. First things first, let's log into your Jira account using Google Chrome. Once you're in, go ahead and open up your project. This is your central hub where all your team's activities and tasks are managed, so it's crucial to begin here. Once you're settled in your project interface, find and click on the Create button located at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to adding new issues, which could be in the form of tasks, bugs, stories, or even epics. It's this flexibility that allows Jira to cater to various project management needs. Now, as you are prompted to fill in the required fields, take a moment to carefully enter the details. For issue type, you will need to select from task, bug, story, or epic based on what you're dealing with. The summary field is where you will input a brief yet descriptive title for your issue. It's like the headline that gives an immediate understanding of what the issue entails. Next, you will describe the issue in more detail in the description box. This is where you lay out the nuances, so clarity is key here. Provide all the necessary details that will help whoever is working on this issue understand what needs to be done. Assigning the right team member is your next step, so make sure to select the appropriate person in the assignee field. If there are any preferences for priority or specific labels that need to be attached, you can add those as optional details to streamline prioritization and organization. Once all this information is filled in and double-checked, click Create to save the issue. Congratulations, you've just created your first issue in Jira. Now let's move on to tracking progress. Jira's boards feature, such as Kanban or Scrum, allows you to monitor your project's movement seamlessly. Simply drag and drop issues across columns labeled To Do, In Progress, and Done. This visual representation helps keep everything straightforward and transparent, fostering better team communication and project clarity. Jira is packed with additional powerful tools to manage your tasks more efficiently. Dive deeper into its features by exploring options like filters to sort issues based on specific criteria and dashboards that provide an at-a-glance view of your project status. Moreover, reports offer detailed insights and analytics, while automation rules can help minimize manual repetition of tasks, making your workflow even smoother. With these tools and knowledge under your belt, you're now well equipped to handle project management more effectively in Jira. Thank you for tuning in, and happy managing.